People who can lie to you about a picture. They can lie to you about their child's father. People who can lie to you about their location. People who can lie to you about what they are doing, which they know isn't true, and create the impression for the world to know this is my location at this moment. But such a person can tell you that his father's father, his child's father is not the child's father. So sometimes, and somebody would say, just take your time. And it's in there, omutiti biniwa America. And it's in there, jandam ni atronti and there, omu cleaners, omutimi MP day job, anajue juma. Eba bechem videos when you say. And it's omutiti Jones so anajo. Atro jandam, omon kanu kure. And the party, MPP ni a party bia. Everything about them is a lie. All these things. What I can tell the people of Ghana and say, the government is doing a lot. The president is doing a lot, and we can see it. And at a point, some people try to let some Ghanaians feel to say, oh, because they don't like what is going on, because it is going against their government or their party. And I'm going to be specific. The NPP, as a political party, they are trying everything possible to let Ghanaians feel, say, oh, Bibi Ankoso, but you are a Ghanaian, I'm a Ghanaian. And we drive around town, we do our own businesses every day, we interact with people, we know what we had before the NDC came to power, and today what we have. So I'm not supposed to tell you the positives of this government, but it's looking like the NPP, right now, they are jobless. They have no job to do. And all that they would do every day is to create the impression that, oh, Uni Bibi, Krona say, but Yene Tim, say Krona say, we know. Say and say, yeah, we know. NPP, what power na who say Krona say, no? Internet. So many people came out to vote against the NPP. It is not somebody in also catch. We live in this country. We have seen how things have changed positively. And people are angry, not angry. People are complaining that, because of Tema Road construction in traffic at Chiwa Town. This is the kind of development we want. We want to see people see work being done. I believe, say, people cannot force Ghanaians. They cannot force, NPP cannot force anyone to think how they feel. They are jobless. They don't have anything to do. Some of them too are thinking and counting the days. For the next 41 years, what are we going to do? So they'll be throwing a lot of things out. And the most interesting thing about this government is it's very difficult for anyone to find raw scandal on this government with evidence, edding. And we all lived with this MPP or these MPP guys for years, and we know the kind of people they are. These are the same people who were killing people, smiling about it. These were the same people disrespecting us as a nation. These were the same people doing all sorts of things. We saw them, we lived with them. So they are not different. If today they come to tell you, oh, what was on which row? Oh, so you need to look at them and say, are these different people? These are the same people. These are the same people who actually opened the forest for people to go in. They went to Parliament. They took a document and went to Parliament and said, Parliament, because our numbers in the we want to enter the forest of Ghana. Ghana, Kwayeno, they want to enter it. And do what? And go and mine and destroy the forest. So sometimes you ask yourself, say, are these the same people? We sat in this country, Ghana. We saw the abuse of power. Sibia, ye di police for eku Ghana for ye converted armed robbers into by force militia, soldier for. We saw a commission put together. We have seen these people. Ye won't senior amount for the way they disrespected Ahemfo. This is the same. These are the same people. Ekufuado was telling chiefs to get up in public, insulting chiefs. Sorry, Chiame. These were the same people who were following Ekufuado and saying, "Yay, Danaya Dawase." So there's nothing new about these people. Say Ghana na Sanyoman Koya, they make a decision, and not the NPP. The NPP does not have any moral right to even talk to Ghana for say, and them watch them. No. Because these are the people we lived with. Now, dollar koya could do 17. They still told us to say. They don't care. We lived in this country. At a point, we got people come to the Jubilee House. people came to the Jubilee House, and we saw people like these enter the Jubilee House, the seat of government, did a diss song, used words I ain't using no TV so. These are the kind of people under the same MPP we saw in our Jubilee House, walking in and out, putting music video together, using the F word in the Jubilee House. This is the MPP. We are talking about, these are people who cannot change. In the say, some of us, some young Ghanaians fall for the NPP gimmicks. Oh, yeah, same way. Especially, all right, especially the hard-working grassroots of the NDC, working hard. And the good thing about what we are seeing today is there are people who voted for the NDC who are not even NDC card-bearing members. And they are still proud they voted for the NDC. But you know, the problem with the MPP is they don't know how to get all those people away from the NPP. They don't know how to let those people hate the NDC. And every day they will cook something. Every day they will come up with something. We are talking about the NPP. Recently, Namudi, 2-3 days ago, Namudi, 69th independence. We were in this country. This is what happened. But then you ask yourself, have they forgotten themselves? Don't they remember? Or they think we are stupid? And right now, the strategy of the MPP is that, Mama Ghana for Monforce a yedin. Monforce Ghana for no munjin say how ho. Yen heti Ghana. Ye hu dia ban we ye. Ye nim dia ban we ye from day one about power. The funny thing and interesting thing I do we say the John Mahama administration had the power 1 year, about 3 months. 6 months going do ye. About we the 1.5 years crap. But my friends is here and say church them the NDC even in your community where you live. You will see that some work is ongoing in your life as a Ghanaian. So you're a trader. So you're Ghanaian na udi juma. You will get it. So it is not about MPP how they feel. And also Ghana for you feel. No, the MPP make noise. They talk a lot in opposition. It is they are entitled to that. Let them talk. Let them make the noise. But the government is working for you. And sometimes, Ghana for say, especially the people who love this government, the people who work so hard to bring this government to power, the people who are so attached to the NDC because they have seen something good in the NDC. They want the NDC to save this nation, keep saving this nation. They get so angry because and that is one thing you need to know. The NPP are feeding on that thing and making some people like because you see, the strategy of the NPP, the editing NPP, and they say, Yemfa atro ente party no, Nyanka atra nembe no kre. That's what they do. And you see them, atro jandam, and internet omu cleaners no, and internet de omutiti biniwa America no, and internet de jandam ni atro ntiende omu cleaners, omu MP day job and adwuma juma. You have check videos when you about say. And it's Jones so anajo. Atro jandam. Omon kanu kre. And the party MPP near party bia. Everything about them is a lie. And you don't fall for them. Let me tell you. So become inshia. Now obe catcher will say, become inshia. Me show 2-4. Me know 2-4 atun say didi. Na adiechi. Menshia for release statement catcher will say, Yadia menshia o. Yapuno ye biama obia. Obia to be ba menshia ebe hwese de menshia tie. Obia to be rabenshia yamani so manenom. It does not mean say so obia rabenshia sa nipa na ehu edien o 2482. It does not mean that. Ebia nipa na ko menshia be catcher will say, Mako menshia o 24. Dan nipa no na opese o creating impression bitu utimu se o nipa titiru. Tie. Obi atumi wura menhia wo. Ende obetumi wura menhia. Obetumi akobenhia akwakoye de wo ye. obi ambo obi antata obetuma ko museum ho bibia upia abontina obetuma ka kire obi won kan se makọ menhia wo mehia otumfo ne na tunse didi tie ebia wo ya santini ba ye wo asantimemu wakọ menhia wo hu otumfo ne didi da saa di pa so ne na mo asantimemu no ope a way to let you believe say ono oyede hye kyew into okọ menhia e no beka cho say media makọ menhia me otumfo didi ade akya no pa menhia release statement say ye had obi atumi ba ha obi opensu anum bia bema nsu mananom obi ope bia de bia bema mebi manada. That does not mean it says oba menhia ushia otumfo. You need to get this. And the base of the NPP, the young people, don't follow your emotions and speculations. People sometimes, especially unemployed people, obu oha onye jumaye and ocha obintuma no that tare no hono they create impression say sebio eye ejuma mi ejuma na so. Just get that in your head. And I am telling you, there are so many of them who are jobless. And obi betuma be track Kevin Taylor and Toma de abetare no ho say or no only Kevin Taylor and nam. Somebody will give that person an opportunity. Inti debiano moti asama, especially when menhia release this statement catch was say ye menhia obi amba ha be share otumfo a nipa na oba abonte be catch say we share otumfo na adenti na ontumi for official document be kan kira sante say me share otumfo ni di a picture ni nipa ni ntumi nye because nobody officially accepted that person at menhia. Eti nipa no is just capitalizing on the name menhia to dupe people. It is what we catch us say me ura ha kwaje endorsement. Ask yourself. So you need to get it. And these are things people do. There are so many people walking on the street. They are not working, they are jobless, they are unemployed people. They capitalize on things like these to survive. Especially the young people, the grassroots. Mutia sama, relax. The oko menhia ko tena ase ene otumfo didi ye no onkyere ye ni oni otumfo didi picture the engine ndi ana beboa ba so wura menhia na so ka so wura menhia obi awura menhia e de hye etupie ba o ka che say otumfo de hye do a ye nyere bebu, but it does not mean say wo otudi akonwa ene na mema mumu bi ate ase ye onkofo bebre nam Ghana. They are jobless. Ubu some say juba be na o ye otumi kan kire, and we all know them. And they use these things to lie to people. Into miracle. And then me say, a young person in Kumasi, and internet and say, obi to me program be near the obedient so I didn't know yes sir to tell other people. So Shatawale kre ba into so we are artista Shatta kraje me 2,000 into over 100 Ghana a minds games. So let's not play into the hands of jobless people. Afe Matias here, that is what they do. So they play into it, and then you get people say, hey, NDC grassroots, hey, NDC grassroots, NDC grassroots. Nothing has happened. BBNC. Majority of the things you are hearing out there is a lie. Some people sit with bloggers and they create that impression. Because Ebia say Obiago say minimum way. Miniwe di nkomo ana we madam fo a ebia djuma de kro kodini krampo bia ma. That is what they do. Introduce sometime asamba nyabotre. And it's the NPP for take advantage because they know say you are angry for nothing and they are capitalizing on that empty spot to make noise. There are a lot of jobless people in Ghana and they will do everything to pay their rent. They will say anything to pay their rent. They will create an impression to pay their rent. See the way. So also a menhia, any menhia kotun say didi, any otumfo didi a chere picture. Now some menhia releases statement so be to be menhia. Into technical obi adishia, then you are not unique. It means you are a liar. And that is where we all need to get it. The young people of Ghana Anamoa modo NDC na moi. The fact of the case is clear. MPP for power. Omu to me employ will be or MPP ni. No, it does not work like that. And I'm not justifying that we ejuma ma NDC na we ejuma. It is right. It is not. But the fact of the case is say not every person who voted for the NDC or some way, somehow worked for the NDC will get employment. It doesn't work like that. But it is the abandoned beye, send over to Tunyama, and they to make creative opportunities around for people almost to be ejuma ma NDC, bibi ma NDC to also get something to do. That is what governments do or parties do when they are voted into power. Because the party cannot employ all its grassroots, all its people, the party needs to build. So the party builds, the party creates, the party makes the environment conducive. Send a beya, ubibe to me be a juma, no afo be a juma. Into grassroots person na or kobo flag na and the onye juma no. So buy no etete taxes so. Inflation, so now man for be juma, that person might not be directly employed by the government, but that person might get a job to do with a private company. A bind by inti juma. That's how it works. Do you understand? Inti sometimes say the party and I say my mua and you be betibia and I say sebio original so because there are some people they have nothing. I'm telling you on authority. There are some people who you see shen and they don't have what you think they have, and they have not been able to access what you think they have been able to access. No, they create the impression because they are unemployed. They cannot come and tell you, I work with this company, this is how much I am taking. No. So this is what they do to make money to eat. They capitalize on your anger because at a point they don't fit anywhere. People who can lie to you about a picture, they can lie to you about their child's father. So sometimes we need to take time. People who can lie to you about their location, people who can lie to you about what they are doing, which they know isn't true, and create the impression for the world to know this is my location at this moment. But such a person can tell you that his father's father, his child's father is not the child's father. So sometimes, and somebody would say, just take your time, then listen, then analyze. You get the truth. And any advice I remember the young people of Ghana, especially those who love the NDC, love John Mahama, love this party, work so hard to bring the NDC to power. These are very important things also to team. We have been around for some time. We have been around for some time. And we know these kind of gimmicks. Adewe bebraye for a long time. That is how they live. And okay, so many from resume and I worked for, and I worked with, and I used to work with, and I used to work with. Nobody can. The leader cannot tell you this is where I work. So these are unemployed people. Happy independence, Ghana. Happy independence. How far we have come. And that was John Dramani Mahama, the president of the Republic of Ghana. And I understand so many Ghanaians on Facebook, on YouTube, TV is still being worked on, and other platforms. That trauma of your party about power is about us. It's about how much we can steal. No? And then the majority of young people in Ghana, they get furious about small things. And I understand, especially the young people who love the NDC, still support the NDC, still see the NDC as the only option to help this nation. No? There's some anger because we saw what Ekufuado and Bawumia beye. We saw a party come to power that did not care about national development. We saw a party come to power where individuals showed up and told us to say they are going to work for you and I. And at the end of the day, they enriched themselves for 8 years. We saw it. We saw how they were throwing money around in our faces, spitting in our faces. So amongst so many young people who have so much hope in John Mahama and this government, every single time they feel sad, somebody did not really contribute to the change that we all fought for, anger boils in them. It is because Yabe will be to say the pain people went through, they saw it. And you see, gradually, the John Mahama administration is trying to bring confidence back into governance. For a long time, you and I, the young people watching me on Twitter, on whatever, or X, whatever they call it, on social media, whatever social media platform you're watching me on, you did not have any belief in government. Say aban bet to me aba na aban et to me a try say or sisanyoma. We never had any belief in government. All because of what we saw. So for about 8 years, majority of young people thought to say, you need to go into politics and make money because that is how it is. Obi ana with the 20 years, and ana with the 18 years. Ekufuado about power. 18 ekodu time Ekufuado free power 8 years no. Ana with the 26 years no. That person did not see anything apart from politicians stealing from the people. Apart from politicians stealing our money, daylight. We saw family and friends take over the nation. For about 8 years, almost 10 years, we were trained, or our brains were trained to believe, say, come into power and steal. So that belief, now they were politicians who say, President Betumaba, now for a whole year, there will not be scandal. No? We were still not there yet, say, end to mean see. But you see, gradually, we are beginning to have hope or belief in our institutions. We are beginning to have belief in a president. We are beginning to have belief in leadership. And it will take time. It will take time because the trauma na ekomu sa pain na ekomu, the things we saw no, and some people believe say, so be bad no say me be adwuma ma Ghana, me do Ghana, me nji pay ediso Oforiatta peni yema share because Oforiatta never took salary. But Oforiatta ye damage chain obia wo Ghana ebesine. Do you understand? I understand when I see people furious. People are not furious because they hate anybody, or they are furious because they felt to say that position near woman, that wastage, that trauma, no, they don't want to see anything like that again. So you see a lot of people going after appointees. When I call you, you don't pick up. I don't hear from you. Remember, you have given the appointee job to do. How many calls do you yourself are you able to pick in a day? How many calls are you able to pick in a day? So you are talking about an appointee who is supposed to pick over 600 calls a day, 25 calls, 30 calls, or 60 calls a day. So if that person misses your call, or that person does not respond to your text message, you need to understand, say, at this point, you have given some people work to do. And let's be very honest. You are not going to get them as free as they used to be when they were in opposition. Right now, you are giving them a job to do. You are expecting them to deliver, and they have to go every mile to do that. So, say, you are trying to reach an appointee. I don't expect you to be angry. It is when the appointee fails to deliver, or the government you voted for fails to deliver, then you hold them accountable and say, but you have given them a job to do. You have told them, do this for us. All that you have to do is that make sure, say, no stress free. Student omoko school first year, no, omu school fees, no, omuntia. That is what you need. And then because at the end of the day, with all due respect, how many people can a single appointee employ? How many? And if I'm an appointee, now I'm a juma, now finance minister Emma McClarence to clear people to employer. At the end of the day, you might call me or you might send me an email. I cannot employ you because when I employ you today, they have not given me any allocation of money. So what am I going to do? So sometimes, the young people, the grassroots, you need to understand the dynamics. This is politics. And then I make us say, NPP by power 8 years. How many MPP for Wejuma? Ask yourself that question. MPP by power 8 years. Mumusa MPP for say, Omudu do say, send your file Wejuma. That does not mean this government is going to neglect its base. But you need to understand, about power. Recently, Yabekachire said the number of people who were employed at the latter part of 2024, now 90% of them did not qualify to be in there. Remember, some of them are still in there. Now, this same government needs to make room for you, the qualified grassroots, to get a job. So, you are sitting there, you are angry with the government. The government needs to create a room for you. The government is doing everything. The appointee is doing his job. So what do you do? Because every appointee, say, onya clearance, every finance ministry, every government, say, ubetuma fanipa 1,000, ontumi fanipa. It's a fact. It's a fact. as much as you are angry with the appointee, the appointee can say, bring your resume. The next month you'll be on the street demonstrating. Because you have not been cleared to work. The finance minister and Castle always seek the So how do you get jobs? So you also need to understand this dynamics. These my politics are check. And what this government is doing, the government is creating opportunity. Now look at this. Look at this. I want to show you one thing. You see this? One district, one factory. MPP free power. Almost a year and 3 months or so. The MPP na free power now. Have they been able to point to 10 one district, one factory companies are offering per thousand cry? Have they been able to point to one? But Ebia, anka this one district, one factory, nan kenye liar, anka that one district, one factory, no, anke bia wo, kwenye jume ye anamebwa. But these are some of the things the government came to inherit and needs to create opportunity for you. Because you can say ejuma. This government can absorb about just 800,000 people. Now it is upon the government to create opportunities for you. How is the government going to do that? The same MPP for na mudi omo chiki kan kwasi asem say omo see na mo grassroots but some say omo ba power no senka omo one district one factory no senka omo ye na anka omo benya any MPP person sitting at home say me MPP ni me adwuma ye. The reason why majority of omo call for adwuma say this was a lie. Don't fall for the gimmicks. Mamon to talk to performance and at no. Senka MPP ba ye adwuma and omo bi adwuma and anka 1D 1F way. Dodo omo so mo bi e Ghana no anka nipa wo mu ye adwuma anka hwan anka nam street is say o pay adwuma ye. So for 8 years there was a backlog adwuma ni ho omo encreate adwuma metuma ko eye napco 100,000 youth omo de to omo tim say be fa mo adwuma sa 100,000 omo da ho system ni mo sa 100,000 youth no omo nyina go system ni mu. And the same NDC government that has been in power for only 1 year, 3 months, said, you know, sir, a buy we are, I was set of us and comforting including you. So, one district, one factory. Omokazo make creating pabe, a juma 300,000. One district, NAPCO. And remember, a juma MP before creating, a bemuso creating a bakumponi were existing there. Not even a single one of them. Not even a single one job. Ejuma Bena and the MPP betuma catch us omu create ya efa nipa 20,000 or Ghana. Ebini ho. It means say sa bad luck no 8 years no John Mahama NDC they have to come. So we are grassroots. Wakuma aba ubuefu. You are competing. The government has been in power for a year and 6 months. This is a government that is trying to find opportunities. Now, say who's a president, could be a clay factory. Recently, what is a president could be another one. The president tried to bring in the private sector to open more companies for people like you, more grassroots for to get a job. Enye say we are so emotional because the MP for person we no say omo feel it to say aban jam aban bi jam ho. Omo ba power no mo share MPP for mo say na mo ba tumi benya tumi 8 years no adwuma ben na mo create here mo MPP for no mo Cadbury members no ehin no mo ye adwuma. They can't tell you because omo ntumi create adwuma. Omo ntumi create adwuma. You see, I'm talking to the base of the NDC. And you see, with me, I will not sit here and sugarcoat any of the words they are using. Abanwe is working with a very tight budget. But this president is ready to create opportunities for Ghana Fubibri or Ghana, especially the young, the grassroots, the people who worked for this government. Bedinka kanwaha, Abanbi ba, nipebi oha, sebio, because of their relationship with some people, nti ebio munye jumantem, obo oha, onye jumantem, obo okra, onye juma directly from Aban. Oboha obenye juma indirectly from Aban. There are so many ways into what you do and say. I will say what say when it comes to governance, and yet easy. Into which I before I'm say okay, yate na mo angasa adentina mo nkofo nyina tifie. Mo 1D 1F no somebody ba gare nya mo say eye juma ade na mo nkofo da mo tifie. Say mo napko no Sanka edi adwuma baya adentina anka ende anka mo NDC grassroot nkwan anka epe adwuma ma na meboa. But the same MPP for no, they are with you people trying to say yema adwuma nye. That is what you are seeing. Your nurse for Ekufuor the twa omontro oni ba omia twa omontro 2021 22 23 a omokoto abama ba omia na Ekufuor do sankofo nyina wie school no omotifie and omo be join mo grassroots no ye pe adwuma but they decided to vote for Ekufuor ba omia abra no munim se enya do memo adwuma ye. But we can also get up and say where we are 2020, where we are 2021, where we are 2023 in TM for the Juma ye NDC for it doesn't work like that. After what you say, inti mo modo NDC, mo epe the NDC, you know, it is not going to be easy. It is not. But enyakura anticipate the NDC is showing, say, you see, am I ready to create opportunities for the young people? And the MPP unemployment rate was 14.7%. Unemployment rate, it was 14.7. And the MPP inflation went all the way to 54. Wa unye jumaye woso untuminto inkukuransra untuminto eduanindi. That is how bad things were. And I think there's one thing about Ghana for I think you people get comfortable too easily. Also recently, I buy we buy so today, this is where the dollar is. Also recently, I buy we buy and the dollar no is lingering around 10-11. It is stable. I am not also more comfortable kakrape. The only thing you want is you want more. Also, I buy we buy power. Now, no matter stable kakrano. You have forgotten what you went through as a young person. Time I now was senior high school. Time I now was SS. Time I now or try say you ubenya some life be. You saw what you went through. But I say because slowly nyoma take shape no. Ama majority of you refi baby near last 8 years, last 2 years, last 3 years. You have forgotten the situation you were in. Yawamba bebre ana mo hwamia 2020 21 20 na 20 enyi sika mfiri botom ntodros nje because the inflation was high na bibia boarding and utumi todros tumi to biguo refi hu say enche bia na utumi todros mpo nje. That is what you don't have to forget. Anything na make I say NPP4 say and the enti omo amumbu so omo say edwuma be no mo create ma Ghana for na sanka NDPP create edwuma enough and then commodity inflation ebedu 1% and can then go big Ghana high case menye edwuma nye dabi and can the MPP4 create edwuma omo one day one factory planting for food and jobs NABCO and then omo de ba nya etumi create edwuma pa wo Ghana can then come so be na Ghana say menye edwuma nye. There are so many people going out today. I saw a video of a young girl na and then I'm going to say sometimes, you know, social media mama kakra, sometimes also a destroy mo. You know why? I saw this young girl ranting on social media. Adaya wako apply for a juma and interior minister to me juma na ko. And then you see the way today majority of you people are bold to say I've applied for job. For 8 years, you never saw anybody come sit on social media to say, "Ma apply for police, for immigration, for fire service." It wasn't even done. It is under John Mahamani NDC and the Utumika say, "Ma apply." Metumika say, and they are published say, "Yeah, for police for." Oh, in Koranam Kowi Tamaye for soldier for. It is because the number of people did not believe. Say, "Abain ba." Say, and they will be able to me apply for soldier. Obia to be an application tool for fire service. Obia to an application tool for immigration. That is the difference. In Tienda, you see hundreds and thousands of people. Obia person immigration ko. Obia person fire service ko. Obia pe police ko. Obia pe army ko. The question here is, how many can the government take? But at a point in our life, now you can't show say you're for soldier. Now you can't show say you're for police. Now you can't jump say fire service. Intend so what submit it. Now say the process is slower. Now young girl say minister in front of us. Now you want somebody to call you to come and work. There's no protocol here. You need to go through the process like everyone else. If the system is slow, it does not mean your application has been denied. I'll say sometimes, Mutinho maybe say, Ghana Nasa. If you are qualified, apply. But for 8 years, you would dampo say, Nipa kobo dompim, say, you could pay Juma or Elwak, you police for, you could pay police, Nipa just, bida. You didn't see because Ekufuado, Bawo Miamono, they were giving it to even people outside the country. This is the difference between Sa MPP na money on any NDC way. There's a lot of competition in the system. Why do you say you be far by Juma, you be far police, you be far fire service, you be far immigration? It is going to be protocol. No, there's competition. There are a lot of people. The backlog na Ekufuado and MPP created to hono. Sa backlog no, and no bina sebi omo grassroots for you are competing with. You see what I mean? I'll see a thing you maybe I say. Problem ne Ekufuado ne ba omia create no. It is not easy to solve. A gradual process. You need to be flexible. You need to allow everybody to go through the process. Into me who say girl no or TikTok and okay can kwase say hey into wie ama ya for adwuma. Obi am for adwuma because anya won kwa na obe pay adwuma o Ghana ha. If you feel you don't want to follow up again, sit home and create your own job. But if you believe yourself, say you have applied and that the system will apply and will film the writer, you wait. It is all internet so that's all access application now to me access here. It does not give you the right to come and stand there. At a point, now untimpo say you for police, you for immigration. And the Muntaka, at least, and you anticipate we are seeing the interior ministry work. You might have your own issues with Muntaka, I have my own issues with him. But when it comes to recruitment, when it comes to people being recruited, transparency, we are seeing it in a long time. You might have your problems with him. You might have your personal issues with Muntaka. I have my personal issues with him. But when it comes to the work, I believe under Muntaka as an interior minister, when it comes to job, the applications, transparency in recruitment, it has been one of the most transparent. A lot of people have been given the opportunity to come. A lot of people fail tests. Fail fitness tests, medical tests, so many tests. So we need to even appreciate to say, and the Abambia bar, it may be in Yuma say, a be opportunity say, bra. 8 years, we didn't see that in Ghana. Mo grassroots na mena mo kasano. 8 years. I didn't see that in Ghana. It busaho, in the Sanko for no mutifio no, Sanapko 400,000, they are competing with you. It munta kambe janka say, why na NDC ni peja wonsa. It doesn't work like that. If by chance you know somebody who can help you, that is fine. But majority of you people all cannot know everybody. So you have to go through the process. That is what I'm trying to tell you. I know sometimes you take things too far. And they said this jobless woman, son, nyoma we are jobless woman, asem we are no bia and we are kota me say. So come mention no two for the dia. Now pay free no two for a release statement say menshia jobia. When I also share a picture say no two for the. These are jobless people. I used to work at ladies. 90% of Sanko for bubu fuomo sa I wanna be free. Almost I used to work at. Nobody can tell you this is where I work. 1 or 2 they can tell you that. And we know them. We see them on TV. They do their morning shows. They go to the law court. Only 1 or 2. Majority of them here, I used to work at ladies. They don't work. So they create the impression, say me, maybe organize a soccer event or Ghana. I'll come and tell you, say, one of the sponsors, Samsung, Indian, one of the sponsors, McDonald's, America, so that local investors in Ghana will all bring their money. That is what you do. It's business. That's San and Kofoye. So if you fall for the trick, they'll use you to pay their rent because they need that light. I used to work for no. They need that light to survive. They don't have anything. It is sometimes we need to be focused. Sometimes we need to understand. Anytime we say, so you Ghana in our Shamia, Busango say, Sanke Kufuad ne Bawumia, any opportunity 8 years, no, Sankomu be a Numa, and can ne, Kautu Busao say, Adana Bana Baminya Jumanye. There's been no job for 8 years. For 8 solid years. A Jumani ho, a fena byway, a funny pay Juma, a fena byway, a bien Juma, and a private sector. No, look at this. You see this? Look at this. 24-hour economy secretariat target 160,000 jobs under new agency transition MOU. Right now, 24-hour economy secretariat, they are now signing MOUs to create 160,000 jobs. Now just say, Nipa 160,000 tifie in Ekufu at the time, and over 160,000. So almost say Juma Ben yeah. Why couldn't they create opportunities? Juma, because Mamaka been sure under MPP, Senka Sewia, Afare, Kumewu, all these major hospitals, Juma and call him nurse for no Juma Ghana, so Mahama power. But all these people were sitting at home. And then Ekufu and the Bawumia, Etigana Sikaso, and Omudi Jantina for. Now, power changes, and you expect all these people. Now, Sewia is sitting there. A Gua Pro, a regional hospital. Afare, a big hospital. Nurse if one goes from Kogum, not if you bear 4 or 5 years. I cannot be a minister. I cannot phobia Juma. It doesn't work like that. In today, let's take a step back and ask ourselves questions. San can go forward to me create a Juma. And your crank nurse for bear one while Mugufi and coming in Afare, yeah, so we are yeah, hospitals are saying coming in Juma. But all these people were sitting at home. So who are you blaming today? And the same stupid MPP will come and tell you, yeah, and no, don't fall for those things. MPP are stupid. They are very foolish people. They don't have anything to do. This is what they will be doing for some time now. This is what they will be doing. So Indians, to me the Sikaba, we are looking at 160,000 jobs. Now, say 24-hour secretariat, luring, and as bringing foreign companies to come and collaborate with them or work with them. Now, company Biabana 160,000. In 10 companies, how many people are we talking about? How many young people are we taking off the streets? 24-hour economy, it means sign 3 MOUs and makes it a legitimate deal. Now, say companies in Obiabano over 150,000. Say companies 5 for bar. In 2 years, how many people will be off the street? This is what we call a buying way is building. The backlog is what is causing the problem. Mema ubumfu and trauma kwasiebi megika kansembi. No. Ask yourself. They didn't create any opportunity. And MPP Aba, NDC Aba power. You see the way NDC is struggling. And the Ghana, 37. Tema motorway. Afena and the Afena ye. Ask yourself. Afena ye tema motorway. 80 years. Afeni yedi and second tema motorway. Yeah, the major projects. Abaya yedi 1 year, 3 months. How can he be pissed off with such a government? A BC in the history of Africa. So yenya 5 companies. Normally 24-hour secretariat, and signing MOU, and signing contract. No money for 160. 5 companies. How many people are going to be off the street? And I'm very sure 160,000 people say, you the grassroots, majority of you get a job here. Don't listen to MPP. They don't have a they are jobless. For the next 41 years, this is what they will be doing. So sometimes, you people should not even listen. They are not people you are supposed to. Jimmy, they got the opportunity. It must show mama say, okay, MPP, mobile pa, we are sure that they be a Jumani. Okay, team, I got it. I just want to ask, MPP, Juma Ben Amukreti. Me say, what ye Sanka MPP, 1 district, 1 factory. Sorry, agenda 111. NDC MPP agenda 111. Sanka come to me see 10 agenda 111 hospitals cry and can nurse for send ejuma Ghana. And come some go street in so. Because every day we are say nurse be in street so demonstration no. Say yen fa ejuma no. And agenda 111 and can ejuma and hu say nurse for no street in so. Agenda 111, they could not build one hospital to say MPP for grassroots in Koye Juma homo nya ba kumpo to see one. So these same people today will come and tell you, I abano the oya nenye and a grassroots. Omo yankwasiafo, omo Jimmy. They don't think. Omo ni munyansa. What John Mahama and the NDC are doing, they are building this country. And the honest truth is, and you'll be the benye juma directly with the government. And I'm talking to the grassroots respectfully. And you'll be but say I bind it to me be a lot of opportunities. And no, and now you get an opportunity. Ubenye juma. Now say metana can valku. So I bind it to me my investors need take over valku. Normally government partner. Valku mu biya. Ghana for buying them. So many of you people get jobs. So it's all about the government finding opportunities, creating opportunities for you. Now, I buy so 8 years. Now, on one in call for Tifie, sa abanu or I do not for Quasiafo. I buy a so 8 years.
You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,